I just woke up earlier. Then you chat me early 3 a.m. Hi, nobody. Hi, V. How are you, V? Thank you, nobody. Hi, Master V. Hi, looking at you. Hi, Mario. Let's go send me butterfly names. Hi, Saplastan. Saplastan, hi. Hi, little panda. Let's go, baby. Hi, Riri. Hi, Kim Duhan. How are you? Welcome to my stream, guys. Hi, Cash. Welcome to my stream. Hi, looking at you. Hi, game over. Hi, Sai. Tammy. Hi, game over. Let's go. Try me now, guys. Let's go. Hi, Kim Pot. Hi there from Singapore. I went there, Singapore, last week. I know, last week. I just landed on Philippines, April 26. I went to Singapore. Guys from Singapore, follow me. I will go to Singapore again on May 24. I love Singapore. And I want to go on Mustafa Center again. Do you know, guys? Mustafa Center. That's my favorite place in Singapore. Hi, Kisha. Ay, mahusay ka. Ba't mo ako pina-follow? Follow ka pa. Hi, Fuzzy. I already sent you my WhatsApp, baby. Hi, nobody. Nobody, do you want my number on WhatsApp? Oh my gosh, guys. I have a poster here. I think she will record my live stream. Officially a fan. You're not a fan. Why you are using my photo? Why you are using my picture without my permission? Why you are using my picture? Answer me. Hi, Hong. Hi, Zarga. Picture without my permission, guys. Okay, I will block you. Gio, hi. How are you, Gio? Fallen Z Telegram. They already chat me, baby. I will make you happy. one topic. Welcome again. One topic. Hi, hi, Azan. Azan, how are you? Hi, one topic. Someone using my photo. A poser. I think she will be a scammer that using my photo. Hi, Tree. Hi, Aji Stricker. What can you tell her, Mudtafik, that she is using my photo? I think she used my photo to scam people. Really? That's why she used my photo? Hi, LKS. Hi, Meow Meow. Hi, guys, I will just sit. DJ Doki, I miss you. Long time no see. Do you want to join here, Colin Z? Hi, Jerry. Welcome to my live. Hi, me. Thank you for following. Colin Z, do you want to join here? Talk to me over there. What do you mean, babe? I will just invite you here. I will invite you here. Hi, me. I just want. Why disconnecting? I just want to practice my English speaking if it's good.